Kausap ko pa yung kapatid ko. And eto, luto na pala yung, nagluto ako ng tatlong yang itlog. Tapos eto yung lunch natin. Kimchi noodles. Ayan. Ayan na guys. Lagyan ko to ng itlog sa ibabaw. Oops! Although meron tayong boiled egg, maglagay pa rin ako yung hilaw na itlog. Wait. Ayan na yung itlog na hilaw sa ibabaw ng kimchi noodles natin, guys. So, kain na ako. Kain tayo, guys. And, binuksan ko na yung biskotso na bigay sa akin ni Nilay. Yung pasalubong niya sa amin. So, ayan, biskotso, noodles, yung kimchi. Tapos, eto, gustong-gusto kong ganitong itlog, guys. Yung parang niluluto mo siyang parang penoy. Yung, hindi ko alam kung may kita nyo. Ayan, tapos sisip-sipin lang, tapos lagyan ng asin. Ay, pray mo na. Ayan. Hindi masyadong luto yung yolk. Harap. May oras pa naman tayo. Alas 2 pa lang. Sarap. Yan yung egg, oh. Okay, kain muna tayo, guys. Ako pa lang. Ang sarap. Ay, ang sarap ng kimchi. Kimchi noodles. Nanonood pa lang ako yung kay Small. Nangangaroling siya kay Vicky. Ayun, kausap ko yung kapatid ko. Karap ko yung computer. Di alam ko anong gagawin, no? Kakain muna. Ay, mamaya na lang, guys. Ito yung biskotso. Oh, ang sarap. Yung brohas, masarap din. Naubos ko na yung brohas. Thank you, Sisi Lai. Sarap. Dami kong itlog. 3. Daming gutom. Sarap. Ayan, guys. Just na tayo. Naubos ko na yung nilagang itlog. Tapos yung itlog dito, hindi ko nakain yung yolk. Sobrang busog na ako. Ayan, oh. Eto. Dami kong nakain, oh. Inom na tayo. Ayan, inuubo na naman ako. Ganun. Na... Naiinis ako kasi, mama, isang concert ni Holly. Baka ganito ako.
Manood ng vlog, pero nung makita ko po kayo, grabe po,
ang sarap. Ito yung orange passion fruit. Gustong-gusto rin to yung gustong-gusto rin to nila kuya. Usap ko pa yung kapatid ko. Sarap. Ready na siya. Alas 3 na, guys. Nakaligo na siya. Ready? Ready siya maglaro. Hinihintay niya na lang si kuya. What time is the golf?
It started already.
Already?
Say off at 2:30 onwards, so
Hi guys.
Hi guys, andito na sila. Si kuya, nagmamadali, nagbibihis na siya. What's this? Present.
I got chocolate, 2 lollipops, 1 pad, book, and a pencil and rubber.
And rubber. Rubber is eraser. Okay, let me see. And ayan na si Zaki boy. Ayan, nakuha niya sa school. Why you have this? Why?
Because Miss Mary of our teachers gonna leave tomorrow to Adelaide because she was teaching us along.
Aalis yung isa niyang teacher. So, meron siyang 2 lollipop. Then, pencil. Chocolate. And a note. Yeah, okay.
No.
Yeah, my dog.
Ayan, meron siya. And kausap ko pa yung kapatid ko. See you, babe! Flying kiss. Mwah.
wash your hands, TJ.
Oh, kuya!
Cole and...
Ha? Yeah. Sabi ko sa kapatid ko. Kasi, bye. Don't kiss me, just hug me because love you. Good luck! Good luck, good luck! Yung isa, tingnan nyo na. Maglaro lang daw siya saglit. Kasi Friday, pag Friday naglalaro sila. Maglaro lang daw siya saglit. Ano guys? 3 Magti 3:40 na. Ayusan ko na to.
Guess what, Mom?
What?
This is gonna be my recipe book.
Recipe book? Oh, why? You wanna cook like mommy?
Yeah, I wanna learn.
You wanna learn. Okay. Yeah, anuhin ko siya. Tawag nito. Kulutin ko na yung buhok niya. Mahirap pa naman to kulutin ang buhok niya kasi manipis tsaka madulas. So, okay. Sikusin ko muna siya, guys, ha. Say, see you later.
See you later, Mama, at the Mata, my
Concert. Yusan na natin si Holly. Ayan.
Can I pick what kind of...
No, you can't because the teacher told me already what kind of eyeshadow you're gonna have.
What is it?
Just light brown. So, mayroon ako ditong spray, yung Palmolive na detangling spray kasi si Holly, manipis ang buhok, pero nag-aaway-away. Ayan. Sprayhan ko na siya nito. And, meron din ako yung, can you get the gold spray there, Baba?
What goes for?
For the heat, it's in the bathroom. You will see it. The gold spray. And, nag-lip tint na ako. Yan, naghikaw. O, diba? And, kailangan ni Holly ng red lipstick. Mag-change si Holly ng ilang costumes. So, ayokong mapulahan yung damit niya. Kasi gagamitin niya pa yun bukas. Kasi ilang beses sila magsasayaw. So, eto yung
Spicy lipstick.
spicy lipstick. Yung lip tattoo na Rich Star. Nasa ano ko to, guys? Sa curry shop. Kung gusto nyo lang naman. Maganda siya. As in, long last talaga siya. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
You know what, Baba? You should not wear this one.
Why?
Because when you take it off, you're gonna wreck your hair. Wait, hanapan ko muna siya ng damit. Wala akong maharap yung may buton sana sa harap. Pero eto, stretchy naman to. So, tinuruan ko na siya kung paano niya hubal. Pero tutulungan naman sila dun sa backstage ng mga teacher nila. So, i-ano ko lang to. I-curl ko lang to.
I'm getting my hair curly.
Yeah, we have
I
to
thought
curl
I
and then we have to tie your hair like this a little bit, like this, and curl. Look at me. Look at me here. Look at this one. No, look at me here. No, look at that side. Ayan. See? We have to spray.
Why?
We have to spray, wait. Yeah, I'm using your gel that. Oh, spray, not gel. Okay, let me see.
I want to sit down. My legs hurt. Why are you doing that?
Because you have to brush a little bit to loosen up. Ayan, oh. Ganda na, guys. Tingnan niyo yung likod. Turn. Turn around. Stand up, please. Ayan, oh. Diba? Kulit na kaya. And then, ito yung buhok nila sa jazz. Then, sa ballet naman, nakaband. Right?
Yeah.
Let me see how we... So, we have to tie it up. Yan na yung itsura ng buhok ni Holly sa likod. O, diba? Parang dumami yung buhok niya. Okay, turn around, love. Ayan. Okay, make-upan ko na siya.
Makeup.
Makeup.
It looks so cool.
Okay. Okay. Okay, make-upan na natin siya.
Makeup time.
Yeah. Make-up.
Time.
Make-up time. Gamit ko yung lagi naman.
After this, we have to put the hot.
The super
lipstick.
face. Ayan.
But after this, we have to put the hot lipstick on.
Yeah, gusto niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, maanghang yan. It's alright. I can handle it now.
Yep. I can handle it. Why's your wet?
Oh, it's the foundation.
Huh?
The cushion. Kailangan mo lang naman light.
Well, my face is so light. Oh, my bad.
Close your eyes. See?
It looks so bright. Does it look bright to you? Kevin knows my eye.
Hmm?
Kevin knows that eye.
Let me see.
You're like this.
Parang wala lang na eh. Light lang eh. Very light. Ito yung ginagamit ko, yung parang champagne.
Let me see.
Dito ba? Then, a little bit of brown. You don't need...
Brown.
Yeah.
How do you actually put?
No, you don't need blue. My teacher said smoky light brown.
And just a
Look.
tiny bit of blue.
No, no blue. Close your eyes. That's not our Christmas party.
Oh, I can see it. It's like circle.
Parang nga siyang ano eh. Come on, Mama. Stop. Close. Ang ganda ng ano mo, Baba. Ang daming pwedeng ilagay sa mata mo na iba-ibang kulay kasi ang mata ko hindi ganyan. Ang ganda ang mata ni Harvey. Close. Close. Okay. Tinalagyan ko siya itong dark. Okay. Close, please. Malapit na tumatapos. Hindi ka siya lagyan ng eyeliner. Oh, wow, so pretty. Mascara. Where's my mascara?
The mascaras.
Yes, open. Buka mo. Nakamanga siya. No. This is gonna go everywhere, Mama. No. Sus, dumidikit dun sa... Stop blinking. Stop. Open. Just open. Don't blink. Oh. Stop blinking because it's...
Mom, how are they going to stop blinking and then if they're like
I know.
still open, they're going to
I'm-
like get freeze and then can't move.
Alright, don't. Okay, don't, because I'm gonna go the bottom one. Oy!
That's so tricky.
Hindi niya kailangan ng ano, ng
Gosh.
false eyelashes.
Mom, it's so...
Sana all. Okay. Magaling ng umaming
Mom, could I
mag-makeup.
just close my eyes?
You cannot close your eyes because I cannot put your mascara. Almost done. Ayun. Akala niya kasi matutuso ko yung mata niya. See? Okay. Diba may itim ka na dyan sa ano? Naitiman yung ano.
Again?
No, I just removed the black mascara. Okay. Lagyan ko siya ng ano.
Gosh.
Gosh.
So sticky when I put it.
Is it? Yeah, because it's not
Dry.
dry yet.
But it has to be dry?
Yeah. Okay. Put the lipstick. Kasi ito, kailangan...
Spicy one.
And you don't do this, ha?
What?
First, just relax. Just relax. Don't laugh. Just relax.
I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue.
Okay, just like that. Don't just let it dry. Okay, let it dry. No. You feel the spice. Yeah, just a little bit. It will go off.
Do I have to leave it open? Do I have to leave it open?
Yeah, just a little bit.
It's already spicy.
Spicy ka daw. Guys, look at yourself. Ano siya? Come on, wait. Yeah. Just let it dry. Pa-dry ko lang yan.
It's already drying.
Not yet. I have to put something on your nose.
Huh? Why? Why? No, the voice I can talk without
Highlight. Okay.
ready.
Yeah. Guys, ready na ang mudra. Ready na ang mudra. Naka-play. Ayan, ubo na naman tayo. Meron ako yung ano.
Mom!
Strap
Are you
ko.
gonna peel it off now?
Ha?
Can I peel it off?
Kunin ko mama yung yung strap soles. Strap soles ba yung binili sa akin niya? Ito pala yung suit natin. Naka-blazer tayo from Huge Closet and yung bag natin. Tapos may itong sapatos ko, yung Puma. Ang tagal na nito sa akin. Padala to ng friend ko from Canada. Ngayon ko pa lang siya susuotin. Tingnan nyo. Ngayon ko pa lang siya susuotin. Ano siya? Hush puppies? Ba ang tawag? Ngayon ko pa lang ito susuotin. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, yan yung sapatos natin. Puma. Or Puma. Pumapatay ng paa. Ayan. Ang texture niya is Hush puppies. Ba ang tawag niya? Tapos leather dito. Ayan, ang ganda. Ngayon ko lang siya masusuot. O, bagong-bago pa yan. So, yan yung ating outfit or get up for today's Holly's, concert. Bukas, may concert pa si Holly, ha? Okay, come on. Okay. Siya magtatanggal. Gustong-gusto niya yung tanggal kasi sa akin, tinatanggal niya yung akin.
First, every time.
Don't, not too close. You're too close, Baba. Okay. The other one.
And then,
Is it red?
so red.
Yeah. Okay, turn it up so we're going.
Yes.
Let me see. And hindi tayo nakaluto, guys. So, bili na lang kami sa Mount. Hindi tayo nakaluto. And yung food ko nandito pa. Tanggalin ko muna. Okay, come on. Na kami, guys. And meron si Holing hairpin dito para mamaya. Kasi sa ballet dance, iba naman yung buhok niya. So, sila na ang bahala. So, meron lang siyang pantali tsaka hairpin dyan. Tapos, nandiyan na yung snacks niya. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We're here na, guys. Hala, ubo na ako ng ubo.
Yeah, abuna ko.
Ito yung ating suitors. Ayan, meron tayo dito
that?
butter menthol. Na tayo
Medicine.
Nice. For the cough, can you open it?
It's for your throat.
Are you ready?
Yes, it's for your throat too.
Yes. Good luck, my love. And
Wait,
remember.
you're gonna watch me, aren't you?
Yeah, of course. Remember, what you're gonna do? You have to just look straight.
Smile.
And smile. And
Concentrate.
concentrate. That's right.
Listen to the teacher.
Yeah, but this time you have no
Oh, I'm going to
teacher.
cough medicine.
Right? Thank you. Sana makatulong to na hindi tayo
Vegan bottom.
umubo. Okay, let's go, Baba. Everything's there in your bag? May snacks siya, may tubig. Okay. Zach, bring your jacket. Come on. Okay, let's go, guys. Good luck! Pero hindi tayo makakapag-vlog dun, guys. We'll see. Pero pinig ko hindi. Dala akong tubig. Meron pa tong Coke. Siguro na inom lang hanggang dito. Tinapong ko, linagyan ko ng tubig kasi yung tumbler ko ang laki. So, para may pasok ko lang to dyan. Okay. Let's go. We're going now. Come on, Baba. Put your jacket. I thought you already put in your bag.
I didn't.
Alright. Can you close that sack? Okay. Fold ko lang ito. Ilagay ko sa bag. Kadak! Doon namin siya iniwan. Kami ni Holly. Ay, ni Holly ni Zach. Dito kami sa front. And, hindi ko print yung aming ticket. Ayan. May ganyan naman. QR code. Si Zach dapat, yung ticket na nakalagay dito, adults. 2. Mas mahal yung sa adult, sa kids mas mura. Pero, substitute lang naman siya kay Tita Mel. Ha? Did I lock the car? Are you sure? Make sure ba? Abot naman yan dito. Listen, okay? You hear it? Can you hear? No. You hear it? Okay. Ito yung itsura, guys. Here, this way. Here, down. Here, Zach. Page 14. Here. Ito yung upuan namin ni Zach. Page 14, page 15. Where do you wanna sit? Here or there? There, okay. You alright? Can you hold that first? Thank you. Can you see? You think so? Medyo malayo na yung namin upuan. Eh, nakasara pa yung cortina.
How many times have I fallen for you? Every promise you never deliver. How many times all the words that you said had me mixing the sweet with the bitter? But I know what you're saying, don't need no explaining. You're making me shake and shiver. You're shining your shoes, but hey, I got news. I ain't falling for all of that glitter this time. As ready as I can be this time. I'll be running free. I've been afraid to go out in the night just to follow my deepest desire. How many times did I call it a day, leaving all of my hopes in the fire? I know what you're saying, don't need no explaining. You're making me.
What do you want, baby? Guys, sobrang gabi na. It is 9:16 na.
9:16.
Yeah, and then bukas, yung first dance niya is ballet, 1 o'clock. Tapos meron pa siya, 2 sets siya eh. Meron pa siyang gabi rin, 6:30. What do you want? Oops! The light suck. Up.
Here.
Okay.
I'll just shut the door.
Okay. What do you want?
Kinaya.
Do you want McDonald's?
Yeah.
No, how about you? What do you want?
I want KFC.
You want KFC?
And could I get a drink?
Of course, my love.
Could I get the drink?
With what?
What quiz I had at the done?
No, that was in Hungry Jack's.
No, you can sell KFC.
Yeah. So, where do you want? Okay, guys.
He said.
Ano yung kung saan gusto ni Sak kumain?
McDonald's too.
McDonald's. Sobrang puno sa McDonald's. So, dito tayo sa Hungry... Oh, thank you. Dito tayo sa Hungry Jacks. Anong... Ayan ang gusto ni Sako. Which one do you want? Frozen mango?
No, I want the watermelon one.
Okay, watermelon one.
That's frozen raws.
Okay, is this... Do you want that, Saks? Just like KFC. The chicken? Okay. Dito walang pila sa McDonald's. Grabe. As in. Hinihintay na lang namin yung order namin. What?
Might be tired and I might.
Yeah. Is this us?
Mine.
Yes.
One.
One? Yes. Okay, thank you. 1,115, right?
This one mine.
Yes, okay. Baba. Alright. Sak, bring this one, Sak. Okay. Gutom ako, pati ako. Gutom na rin ako. Okay, come on, Bam.
You're the best, Mama.
Oh, thank you, my love. You're the best
You got
daughter.
a You got Holly. I got a big meal.
Did you?
Yeah, I only got one thing.
Yeah, I got one as well. So, mayroon kami yung my chicken. Can you put the light there, Baba? Yeah, I got one because I'm hungry.
Yeah, Mama.
Tapos may burger din ako. Ayan o. Yung may chicken na may chips. Wow. Oh, buti nang sak, sobrang gutom na kaya napakain natin siya nito. Kasi sobrang punuan lahat. Ito lang ang hindi masyadong puno.
I just want it in my hand.
Okay, baby. You spray the alcohol already, right? No, diba?
Which one's my drink?
You have the same.
No, yeah, that
You have
one's
the same.
That one's mine.
Where's the... Yeah. Okay, Baba. Just be careful. Dito na lang kami kakain. Okay, gutom na rin ako. Kain muna kami. Ito yung burger natin. Wala, ayaw niya mabuksan. Bakit? Gutom na ako. Si Oli. Gutom na rin. Ayan.
Delicious.
Delicious?
Yeah.
Gutom ka lang.
After this, can I have my dessert?
Of course. Ang ginagawa ko ay, sabi ko kay Halo, etong side na ito, pero hindi ako nagdo-double dip. Kasi nga, may ubot tayo. Ayan.
Dessert?
Mm-hmm.
Ate your
Where's your burger?
last one, Holly.
Finish your burger first, please. Dito pa rin tayo, guys, sa parking lot ng Hungry Jacks. And, inuubos ko lang yung burger ni Holly. Ang dami niyang nakain din, oh. Yung akin hindi ko pa makain.
Gosh, order I put in. But I ate most of it.
And there's also at the bottom one. See? Dessert na sila. Hindi na ubos ni Sak yung chips. Yung chicken lang yung kinain niya.
I need to sit down.
Grabe na yung uubok ko. Okay, uwi na kami. Time check is 10:11 and
10?
tumingin ako ng ticket para bukas. Kasi nung last time, walay na. So ngayon, merong available na dalawa. Ayun, pakita ko sa inyo. So, bili tayo ulit ng ticket
I'm
kasi
gonna
gusto ko
have
ulit
a
siyang...
busy day tomorrow.
Yeah, kasi ang galing. Gusto ko ulit siyang panood kahit napanood ko na siya. So, bukas, manood ulit ako. Ako lang itong mag-isa. Kaso hindi magkatabi. Dalawang available. Ayaw niya na kasi how many hours you been sitting? 3 hours. Ayaw niyo daw maupo ng 3 hours. Malapit na kami sa bahay. Tingnan niyo naman yung kapitbahay namin, guys. Oh. Christmas na sa kanya. Bayan ni Tommy. Yung amin ang dilim. No? Ito lang. Oh, tingnan mo naman. Ang ganda ng bahay. Ang daming pailaw.
Look at their house. So that's
Yeah, that's their mom. Yan yung mama ng asawa ni Tommy.
and look at ours.
And look at us. It's dark. It's nothing. Sabi ni Zach, it's nothing. We're home. Si Holly tulog, guys. So, pagod na pagod ang dancer natin. Baba, we're here, Baba. Mundo na si Zach. Baba. Holly. And si Jan nag-text. Kada-drop up niya lang kay TJ. And bumalik daw siya sa golf club. Holly, we're here, Baba. Pagod na pagod to. Baba. We're here na, Baba. Let's go. Punasan ko na lang to. Bukas na lang siya maligo kasi di niya na kaya. Come on, baby. We're here. We're just gonna leave your clothes here, okay? Okay, let's go. You wanna go sleep with mommy now? Okay. Dito na tayo sa bahay. Close ko na yung vlog. Yeah. I know. Sabi ni Kuya. But di pa raw tapos yung Christmas tree. Wala pang ilaw, guys, kasi yung extension nga, si Jan nasa footy pa. Ay, nasa footy sa golf club pa siya. So, i-end ko na yung vlog bukas. Alauna pala yung first concert ni Holly. 1 to 3, then 6 to ganitong oras ulit. Tapos sa Sunday, meron siya 10:30. Sabi ko kanina, 10:30 yung ano niya, bukas. 1 o'clock pala. 1:30. Then, Sunday pala yung 10:30. So, isang kalahating days lang sa Sunday. Pero bukas, buong gabi na naman sila. So, end ko na yung vlog. And, nakabili ako ng ticket. Nabili natin yung isang ticket. End na namin yung vlog. And, how did you go? No? No, not you, Kuya. How did you go?
Bad.
But, it's alright.
We all did.
You all did? Even Daddy? Oh. Alright, my love. Punasan ko lang ang mukha niya, tapos bukas na lang siya maligo. Tomorrow you're gonna have a shower, okay? Tomorrow na lang, okay? We're just gonna wipe your makeup. Okay, then we're gonna wash your hair tomorrow, okay? Okay, say good night, everyone. Ako din, ang sakit ng ulo ko. Eh, nag-edit ako kanina, pero hindi ko siya natapos. So, tatapusin ko yun kasi vlogmas, diba? Ang sakit na ng ulo ko. Pero, kayanin natin yan. Kaya yan. Okay, good night, guys. Please like, please subscribe.
Have a next vlog.
Good night. Good night, guys.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.